Hello guys, today I'm gonna answer a question what you should do if your robot vacuum gets stuck on rocks or thresholds, and there we have it, the Dreamy D10 Plus. So if you have the problem like this one, remember to clear the path, clear the floor, and check there is it's a clear and there is no any obstacles, like thistles, ramps or virtual boundaries. If you see that the robot is a little bit dizzy and stuck on everything, remember to sometimes clean the sensor. The main sensor is located on the top. You can just clean it with the dry cloth or with the IPA alcohol. And you have also the few sensor here, like this one, and the same on the side of your appliance. This is cliff sensors. Remember to clean it and check that your wheels are not blocked or obstructed by something. And basically that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.